duit YouTube, Tatu. So I didn't get a chance to vlog yesterday because I was in work. Wednesday's vlog went up. That was my night after Oktoberfest. So today all I did really was... Well, it makes it sound so interesting, doesn't it? All I did. Anyway. So today I dropped my cat to the vet. She just has to have some routine blood pressure tests, so she'll be in for the day. Home this evening with any luck. Then I got breakfast, and then I was walking by a bike shop that one of my scouts recommended, and figured, yeah, what the heck, I'll call in and see what they have to offer. So there's a few bikes that I'm kind of interested in. I might see about trading in the one that I have at the moment to get the new one. It was good fun. It was interesting. I got to ride a new style racer as well, with all the the flappy brakes and all that jazz. It wasn't as hard as I thought it would be, but I kind of prefer a road bike now. So that's my plan anyway. I'm going to get one of those soon. Got the bus back to got off at the Starters Park and went to feed the ducks because I had bread in my bag that was going off. So I said, right, go and feed the ducks. But ended up getting dive bombed by gannets and seagulls. But yeah, it was nice enough. And we've a pair of swans in the lake as well, so I'm expecting cygnets come spring, which would be nice. I don't know, very little else happening really. I got my bed back together, thankfully. I'm missing one pit though, and then I have to put my mattress back down, and then I can sleep back here again. There goes my bag. I'm packing for my trip away. I think I mentioned this in the last vlog. I'm going freediving for the weekend, and so that should be great crack. We're going to Mullaghmore in Sligo, which will be... I'm looking forward to it. It should be great, and I haven't seen a lot of my Wet n Wild friends for a while, so it'd be nice to catch up with them. So I have to pack. Fun. I'll take you with me, of course. I'm debating whether or not to take my laptop with me. I'll see if it fits in the bag without making it too heavy. And if I can, then I'll take it and I'll upload videos while I'm there. If not, I'll upload them when I get back on Monday. Also, vlogging next week might be a little bit difficult. It might have to be done as a roundup in the evenings because I'll be working all day, every day next week, from Monday to Saturday, to get our Paralympic event done. So that's about it. That's everything that's going to be happening for the next 8 to 10 days. I'm leaving Dublin. What time of day is it? It's 2:20. I'm leaving Dublin at 20 to 4, so I have to be in Finglas in about an hour. So I have to get packed, showered, ready to go, and make my way out to Finglas, which will only take about 25-30 minutes or so. So anyway, if I leave within the hour, I should be okay. Right, I just thought I'd make this. I'll upload it before I leave, and I'll keep you posted. Agat, agus slán. And P.S. I have a couple of ideas of things that I want to do for Vlogtober, but if you have any ideas, anything you'd like me to show you in Dublin or in the house, or anything that I do, or if you want to know anything, I might do a Q&A, need questions. So anyway, I'll put this on. I'm kind of linking my social networks together, so I'll link this to Twitter, and I'll put a Twitter link down in the description. I'm starting a blog, kind of. I'll put a link to that down below as well, and I don't know whether to put it on Facebook or not. I probably will. I'll put a link to that down below if I do. Okay? Gur maith go de rís, agus slán.